Hey guys, this is Lawrence again, and thank you very much for coming to my channel. At my channel, you will find out how to use the simplest ingredients to make the most stunning food you ever had. It's gonna be delicious, it's gonna be easy, and you're going to impress whoever you are cooking with. Today, we have roasted eggplant for you. So first, you need some Chinese eggplant. When you choose these type of eggplants, make sure you choose the one that has the darkest purple and also has the less wrinkle. It will come up very important later. But first, let's wash them and use our speed peeler to make eggplant ribbons, as you can see right here. Take your time and please watch your fingers. You will find out that there's going to be some leftover eggplant after you make all the ribbons you can. Please don't throw them away. Keep them in your fridge and make something out of it. Remember never to waste food. To prevent the eggplant from discoloration, we're going to soak it in a lightly vinegar water. So it's about 1.5 liter of clean water with 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar add to it. And you're going to soak your ribbon in it for 5 minutes. So the next step, as you can see right here, I am lightly oil the ramekin of my choice right now. You can use butter or vegetable oil. So this basically is to prevent the eggplant from sticking to the container that you're using. And now I'm gonna layer the eggplant in the ramekin until I fill up all the spaces. And it's very important to have some overlapping area, as you can see right here, to prevent the shape from collapsing after cooking process. Space will become a problem at the end of filling up your ramekin with the ribbon. So the trick is to wrap the ribbon around your finger as tight as you can so it can fill up the ramekin. It is really important to fill your ramekin as much as you can because eggplant, after it cooks, it will shrink significantly in size. After very lightly season your eggplant with some salt, we're going to steam the eggplant for 5 minutes on high heat. And the purpose of this step is to get the water out of the eggplant as much as we can. And now you're going to put a plate over your eggplant and you're going to dump the water out. Be very careful not to burn yourself. And after that, you will season it more with some more salt and pepper and some olive oil, and then you will roast your eggplant at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you'll have this most impressive looking and delicious roast eggplant you ever had. And it's very important to remember to steam it first so your eggplant will not taste watery at the end. After that, you just add some balsamic vinegar and voila, here we go. Most delicious roasted eggplant that you ever had. The presentation is stunning and you will definitely impress whoever you are cooking for. Again, this is Lawrence. If you like my video, like and subscribe.